Hi, welcome to our channel. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Tesla Model S Ace's winter range test in Norway beats 28 other EVs. The Tesla Model S won the cold weather range test in Norway by a landslide, setting a new record in the process. The electric sedan beat 28 other EVs in the test organized by Norwegian automotive media outlet motor.no, covering 530 kilometers on a single charge in temperatures varying between -10 degrees and -5 degrees Celsius. The Tesla lost only 16.4% of its claimed WLTP range rating of 634 kilometers and was the only vehicle in the test that managed to pass the 450 kilometer and 500 kilometer marks. The previous record was 521 kilometers, and it was set in 2021 by a Tesla Model 3 long range. Interestingly, the Tesla Model S could have gone even further, but the vehicle tested could only charge to 98% before the start of the test due to a technical reason. All the other cars were charged to 100%. Most of the vehicles tested this year saw their real-world range in cold conditions drop by 20–30% compared to their WLTP range ratings. For example, the Mercedes-Benz EQ's range dropped 33.39% to 409 kilometers, compared to the WLTP rating of 614 kilometers. A total of 29 electric vehicles were part of the test. It was the largest one so far, that took place between Norway's capital Oslo and Jurken on a route measuring 365 kilometers one way. Tesla Model S aside, the vehicles that saw the smallest range losses included the Maxus Unique 6 mg Marvel R mg 5, Kia EV6 GT and Tesla Model X Plaid. All the other vehicles had range losses of 20% or more, with the Toyota BZ4X seeing the biggest drop over the advertised range -35.79%. It's worth noting that some of the vehicles reached the highest elevation on the test route, where temperatures dropped to -19 degrees Celsius. Motor.no tested an eclectic mix of vehicles, including several Chinese models that are on sale in Norway, like the Nio ET7, Beaton, Honky EHS9, Voya Free, Jack EJS4, Benato 3, and more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.